there was a lot of volatility, um, not only in the markets, but in the election community as well. There was in politics also there was a lot of volatility, but the week ended really well with the honorable PM back in the power. And similarly for Nifty also, on Friday, the week ended really well as we closed near all-time high, very close to all-time high. So today the focus will be on making a fresh high. So last Monday का high था, उसके ऊपर जाने का first attempt रहेगा. That will be the first attempt. And once we sustain above that level, we will look out for the rally further. And the market will also shift to a confirmed uptrend. Okay. On the flip side, I think the levels around the 23,000 and the low of the Friday. Okay, these two levels will be very crucial to watch out. So if we reach below the Friday's low, especially जो Friday का low है, वो बहुत important है. If we breach that level, then we may again try to test the 22 500 600 का जो ये 21 और 50 DMA वाला लेवल है, वहां हम एक बार आ सकते हैं. But most important now will be the 23,000 and the first level, and the second is the Friday's low. So these two levels on the downside you need to be watchful. On the higher side, last Monday's high, we need to move above that and sustain above that level for a further rally. On the news front, Dr. Reddy's manufacturing unit in Andhra Pradesh got 4 observations from the US FDA. IDBI Bank received income tax refund worth more than 2,700 crore. KEC wins more than 1,000 crore plus order across its various businesses. Lupin entered into a business transfer agreement with Lupin Life Science to carve out its trade generic business in India effective July 1. RVNL emerges as the lowest bidder for the project of South Railway worth more than 150 crore. ग्लोबल मार्केट में ऐसा कोई मेजर क्यूज नहीं है. यूएस closed flattish not on last week. This morning, Nikkei is up around 0.5% and Kospi is down around 0.6%, 0.60%. तो कोई इतना क्यूज नहीं है ग्लोबल मार्केट से कुछ बड़ी रैली का या सेलिंग का. So that is not a problem. If you look at the GIFT Nifty, it also indicates a muted opening. If you see on the last week closing, so this is the futures closing. जो गिफ्ट निफ्टी दिखाता है वो फ्यूचर लेवल से हम लोग कंपेयर करते हैं. सो दैट वाज अराउंड 330-40 का लेवल था. अभी 330 तो 20-30 पॉइंट ऊपर नीचे का लग रहा है अभी का सिचुएशन देख के ऑन क्लोजिंग ऑन फॉर ओपनिंग. तो looks like a muted opening, no major change, but from there on we will need to see that which direction the market goes. The last part, that is the chart of the day. So Natco Pharma looks very, very good. If you see, it is forming a stage 2 consolidation base. और जिस तरह से इसका अभी accumulation हुआ है, it is very strong. देखो पूरा जब बेस बन रहा था ना, when it was forming base over the last 2-3 months, it found a very good support at 50 DMA. So this is something good. It has element of support within the base. Okay, its fundamentals are good. If you see the EPS strength, it's of 83. लास्ट 3-4 क्वार्टर का EPS ग्रोथ देखो बहुत अच्छा है. Sales growth is excellent, no two ways about it. Return on equity is around 23%. Okay, and the buyer demand is also decent. So the fundamentally and technically, the stock is very, very well set up. Uh, as if you can see, and even the base formation is really good. In the last 3-4 sessions, the accumulation has been good. Before that, when there was some bit of selling in the stock while the base was getting formed, the volume was low. Even before the base was start, देखो यहाँ पे बड़ा candle आया है. ठीक है, so that is something very good. So setup, fundamental, technical, all the things are in place. So these kind of stocks can be the part of your watch list. Once Nifty makes a fresh all-time high, you can watch out for such quality stocks, do your own research, or take advisement from your investment advisors. So that's it for today's session. Thank you for joining. See you again tomorrow at 8:45 a.m.